Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a series of emails this past week from Simon. Somehow, some time ago, I got on his mailing list, and just recently he's made a bunch of posts, or at least I've been getting notices of his post. He's in Italy. He's been a licensed amateur operator since 1996, and he does some fantastic posts on amateur radio and shortwave listening, on antennas, on radios. This is just one of them that's talking about grounding concepts. He's got some on different software packages, different information about radios, ham radios, technical articles, just goes to antennas. Look at all these articles, and they are good, detailed articles. Look at this one just on grounding. Pretty darn good. And he's also on Facebook. You can go to this website of his, which is his call sign, IW5EDI.com, all lowercase. And check out these pages. Pretty interesting. I'd forgotten about it, that I had subscribed to this, and it's like he hadn't posted in a while, and all of a sudden this past week I got like 5 emails almost back to back about new things, new topics that he's talking about. Most of them were about antennas. Let me see if I can find. Trying to find the latest one that I got. I don't know what order. Whoops, what order these are in. No, the one that I got was about just long wire antennas, and I don't see it here. I don't know. Let's see if we go back here to home. Oh, here we go. Here they are. Full wave loop antenna. How to build a tuned loop antenna. QSL maker. Fabricating CB antennas. And like I say, it goes into a lot of detail. I mean, this is good stuff. Fishing pole ear, a homemade mobile CB antenna. Attic antennas, I remember that one. DX cluster telnet links. Instructions for putting up a long wire antenna. That's the one that caught my eye. Let me just click on that. Okay, whoops, there it is. It's got pictures, illustrations, all kinds of stuff. So check this guy out. He looks fantastic. Again, it's IW5EDI.com. That's his call sign. And that's where you can get all this free information. Thanks for watching, and be safe. Bye-bye.